Finally, for our space plan, let's take a look and see if I can make a label that's a little bit more useful. First of all, yellow doesn't really work very well. And this can't be edited very well. So let's see if we can figure out how to do one. When you want to write some things about it, and they're always going to be in sort of the same format, that's called an attribute. So we can make an attribute. So let me do this on the proper layer. I'm going to do it still on the furniture layer. I'm not going to do it on the room tag. I'm going to actually put it on the furniture layer, and I'll define an attribute. And the first thing is going to be the room. And for us, the tag, the prompt, and the default will be the same. Doesn't matter. And then I'll make it middle center. I think that'll look best. And text height doesn't need to be that big. I think 0.12 will be fine. And that should do it, I think. Oh, no, my text height should have been 4. Sorry about that. So let's try that again. Define attributes. Room. Middle center. Text height can be standard. And this should be 4 tall. There we go. Now it's looking kind of the same. And now I want to do another one. And this will be number. Go with middle center again. Right in the middle of this. Down a bit. Yep. I can maybe move that a little bit. That looks pretty good. So those are some attributes. I always want to be able to say what the room is and what the number is. So now we can create the block. Create the block. And this is going to be room label, or even room number. When we put it in, I probably want it kind of like right there in the middle of that. I'm going to select my objects, room and number. And I want to convert it to a block just to show you what will happen. I'm not going to open it in the editor. So now, okay, that's cool. Bathroom, 100 maybe. That's how it works. And every time I put that in, that will happen. Now maybe storage, 101, as an example. So this is how you can create your room label tags. I'm not so fond of this one. First of all, it's yellow, and you don't need the square around it. Maybe that's cool, maybe not. This will work out just fine. And now if I'm going to put that into one of these, I can just drag it in. There we go. So that's how you make an editable attribute block. If you want to change it, by the way, that's that ATT edit that we've done. And I know many of you have done this, but some people may not have done it yet. And so this is really, really good practice.